In today's video I want to show you the accessories that I bought for my Fujifilm X100V. Because you, my viewers, asked for it. So here we go! First, as usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. This would really help me a lot. And if you really like my content, consider buying me a coffee via buymeacoffee.com. The link can be found in the description. And many thanks to all of my viewers who have already used it. I really appreciate it. Well, for today's video I will provide links to the manufacturers' websites if possible. In addition, some affiliate links where you can buy the stuff directly. This is because some of the accessories is exclusively distributed via Amazon. By the way, I'm not going to talk about converter lenses today. I'll do that later in a separate video. But now let's get started. Well, the first thing I buy for every device with a touchscreen is a screen protector. This one here is pretty good in my eyes, although the buy was more or less random. The company is called Brotect and the product is Air Glass. This thing fits so well and unnoticeable on the screen of my X100V that I recently had the horror of having forgotten to put on a screen protector. Well, it's on it and it obviously does a pretty good job. The second accessory that I attach to all of my cameras is a soft release button. For everyone who is new to the Fuji system, you can either attach a cable here to the trigger or just one of these soft release buttons. I think the release button is great in the Fujifilm cameras, but with such an accessory it will be much more pleasant to release. They are available in concave or convex. Just try out what is more comfortable for you. This one here is again from JJC and costs about 10 euros. And it is available in different colors like gold, silver, red and obviously black. Well, if you have seen my video about my bags for street photography, you already know this little thing here. A really perfect fitting silicone cover from MegaGear. If I take the X100V with me to work or for some other reason have to just throw it in a bag so I can always have it with me, I protect it like this. Some attention with the snap hook. It is not made to hang the bag with the camera in it. The bag is not only available in black but also in red, grey, pink, etc. and costs around 20 euros. Well, I've already made a video about an alternative and cheaper weather sealing kit where the following things are part of. An adapter ring, again from JJC, together with this UV filter from HOYA Japan, make my own WR kit. Of course, I cannot guarantee that this protects as well as the original because unfortunately I wasn't able to compare them yet. The WR kit from Fuji is still not coming, but I assume that this combination definitely protects the lens from splash water and dust. In addition, I got this Lenshood here, also from JJC. A minor problem is with the adapter ring attached to the X100V and the filter you can of course no longer use the original protective cap of the X100V. It simply falls off. That's why I bought this no-name 49 diameter lens cap for some euros. So now we couldn't add much more to the little lens of the X100V. So if the weather is normal, I still like going out without all of this stuff. Well, I already owned some smaller Fujifilm cameras, but this time I really wanted to try the following accessories. A thumbs up grip. This is said to improve the grip of the camera considerably because it creates an additional grip for the thumb. The grip is simply pushed here into the hot shoe, which is actually intended for a flash, of course. So negative point 1 is no thumb up grip if we need an additional flash. In fact, the camera with the grip is really much better in the hand. That is an absolute plus. But for me personally, the usability of the shutter speed and ISO dial decreases noticeably. Not as bad, but still worse than without is the usability of the rear command dial and the exposure compensation dial. At least if you have relatively large hands like me. I'm therefore still not sure whether this accessory is right for me here. To be honest, I don't think 24 euros for this thing is particularly cheap, but just try it yourself. As I said, the grip is clearly improved, so maybe it could be useful for you. Buying my camera strap took me the most time and effort. I also own the Peak design system on my X-T3, which is really great for that camera. But I wanted something different for my X100V, because in my eyes Peak design dongles do not fit the look and feel of this vintage looking camera. I wanted a camera strap that is stylish but very flexible, easy to attach and detach, and yet super stable. And if the length fits well, it is not important to me to adjust it in street photography. So I tried straps made of cord, linen and everything possible. Finally, after a long search, I came across this one here, the monochrome strap. In this case, the Mono 100 model. I guess it's a German company, Monochrome. The attachment and detachment is super easy with these buttons here. They are thread just into the split rings, and then the buttons have to be closed, of course. The leather caps are then put over the buttons so that nothing can come loose. I also don't have to remove the strap when I put the camera in the silicone case. So with this combination I am really happy. Okay guys, so much for my accessories for the X100V. Of course there is more that I did not talk about. What are you using? What are you planning to buy? I'm really looking forward to your comments. Please let me know if you have questions on another topic. Also feel free to write me in the comments. I usually answer within a few hours. Don't forget to give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. Switch on the notifications so that you don't miss any more videos. And if you find my content really helpful, consider buying me a coffee via buymeacoffee.com. Okay guys, that's it. See you next time. Take care of yourself. Have a good time. Ciao.